Hello, my name is Vireshwar Yadav. I belong from Ayodhya, Faizabad, which is in Uttar Pradesh, and I did my engineering from Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College, Ghaziabad. And I was head coordinator and convener of my college technical society Samveg, where I conducted various technical and non-technical events like Robo Soccer, Sea Legacy, Junkyard, etc. And I also organized seminars on green technology, tomorrow's India, pneumatic as well. And to add value to my engineering, I did some courses on mechatronics and design. I did basic and advanced industrial robotics programming and simulation course under KUKA Robotics, and I did automation technology course basic and intermediate from Bosch Rexroth Group, where it covered pneumatics, hydraulics, PLC, sensors, etc. And my final year project was also based on my training in Bosch only. So it was automatic drilling on the periphery of pump casing, which was an industrial application based project given by Bosch to Center for Solution. So in that project, that casing will be clamped using pneumatic pressures on a rotating table, which is being rotated at certain angles with the help of rotary actuators, and then drilling will happen continuously at certain time intervals of 15 seconds or 20 seconds with the help of electropneumatic cylinder, and the whole process will being controlled by PLC ladder logic programming. And the structure was wooden structure, which was consisting of solenoid walls, bearings, shafts, chain sprocket arrangements, and single acting, double acting cylinders, rotary actuator, air compressor, polyurethane tube, etc. And my project was picked and funded by college and Bosch jointly. And as far as my job is concerned, I am a TCS system engineer working on client side as a developer. I am working on technologies like Java, SOAP and REST web services, JDBC, Hibernate, Oracle, etc. And currently I am module lead of my four members teams. And the biggest challenge which I faced in my job was when I was inducted in my client project. Being a fresher, I and module lead were only two members in the team. So one day my module lead had to leave for his home due to some personal emergency, and on the very next day one of my very critical application got stuck. So it had a large business impact. So clients calls and mails started coming continuously, and clients started queuing up at my desk also. So it was a little tricky situation, but I kept my calms. I went through the document thoroughly. I understood the process, and I talked to other teams also to understand their process and implement it in mine. So and I found out what the problem was. The problem was not at my end; it was a web service team and web admin team end. So that pool connection binding was getting broken again and again. So due to which application server was unable to connect to database server. So and I get it done along with the team. My senior manager noticed it, and I was awarded with TCS on the spot award of March 2018. And I developed a policy feedback mechanism for a client which has eliminated manual work, and I also developed different web services for different payment APIs like PhonePe, Google Pay, Bheem, Paytm, etc. For client inquiry and receipting. And I along with my team, so I was awarded for with TCS on the spot award of July 2018 for same. And I along with my team took voluntary steps to improve speed and performance of my applications. Like we automated the month-end process, so which has reduced the 2 working days effort. And my client gave Tatva award to my team for same. And recently my enhancement of Bharat bill payment system made my client win the CFL award by Government of India for becoming the first company to implement it. And my hobbies are concerned, so my hobby is writing. I am a writer. I used to write short anecdotes in my local language. Some of my stories are on WordPress as well. And my career goals, my immediate career goal is to get admission into a premier institute like NITI, so where I will be mentored by one of the best faculties of India, and I'll get chance to interact with seniors and alumni to understand seniors and alumni to improve my skill, to improve my team skills, my networking skills, and to understand business concepts very well, etc. and my short term goal is to become a project manager in a progressive environment where learning and creativity will be encouraged. And then 5 to 7 years down the line, I see myself growing by leveraging my business knowledge and slowly stepping up into the shoes of senior management, become an asset to the company. And my long term goal is to always to give back to the society. So I want to work with Indian government as an advisor in policy making towards industrializing the agriculture sector for benefit of all the stakeholders, especially farmers. And the reason of choosing NITI are several. One and very important reason is the one of the main missions of NITI is to promote communities for their economic development, which matches with my long-term goal of industrializing agriculture sector for the benefit of farmers. And the other is the 57 years rich legacy of NITI contributes to a very strong alumni base, so which gives an opportunity to learn from them and build network which will be helpful in career goals as well as life. And being an IT professional, I am more inclined towards cutting edge technologies of IT like AI, blockchain, and machine learning, etc. So, and it is also inclined towards cutting edge technology in different diversity, so which will give me an opportunity to explore my interest. And NITI is NITI is very research oriented and well guided by faculties, so that also will give opportunity. And peer learning will be very great because all the crowd is engineer. And one thing is also that location is also a big plus, Mumbai being business capital of India. So that's it from my side.